good morning. Now you're watching CBC News, which will provide you the latest news update around the world with us, Muhammad Nabil Al-Faizi
and Area Clear, to describe the most up-to-date and reliable news, which we summarize in this morning news.
The flooding caused by days of heavy rain at Jakarta has blocked the roads and forced businesses in the capital to close. The governor of Jakarta has declared a state of emergency. He also said he was committed to making a breakthrough in efforts to tackle the flooding. Jakarta resident Wilda urged the government to do more to stop floods in the future. The dams are no longer sufficient to hold the water, he said.
Yaya Supriyatna, an urban planning expert, told the BBC that Jakarta's drainage system is still the same as it was in the Dutch colonial era and should be rebuilt. The floods are caused by the failure to manage and sustain the rivers as water reservoirs. I suggest the governor bridge the rivers because if the rivers are deeper the better, or the system will function.
The Jakarta Post said two of the people killed in the capital were children, aged 13 and 2. State funds are available to help those affected by the flooding following the declaration of a state of emergency, which will remain in effect until 27th January.
What do you think about the current floods?
Banjir kali ini mendadak benar gitu ya, jadi mengejutkan. Jadi kita sangat benar-benar tidak ada persiapan, jadi langsung ya semua ada. Biasanya bisa mengungsikan kendaraan, ini sampai nggak bisa mengungsikan kendaraan. Jadi sangat ya.
Tens of thousands of people have been evacuated to temporary shelters.
Well, that's all the news today. If you want to get more information, you may visit our website on www.cbcnews.com. Thank you for watching and have a good day.